I am Dr. L.N. Rajaram, a co-founder of Spin Chennai and the conference chair of the SpyCon 2021 conference. I'm also a co-founder of Kriti Labs Technologies, a digital transformation technology company. The theme for this conference is digital transformation maturity, an imperative driver for growth economy. The idea for hosting this conference with this theme came after we had undertaken a massive digital transformation project for a Fortune 500 public sector company in India. The fantastic benefits that accrued motivated us to host such a conference as a knowledge sharing exercise. The conference is not just about digital transformation and its technological implications, but also the fact that it is an imperative need that we have right now for the growth of our economy. The last 2 years, unfortunately, has seen us in this COVID situation that has slowed down our economic growth, which on an average was growing at more than 7% per annum for the last 25 years. So no doubt it's a big blow to us in these last 2 years. But looking at the positive side of it, we do have right now a confluence of emerging technologies that can help us to totally leapfrog from our current situation to a digital India that would really transform itself in terms of our lifestyles, our work styles, and the way we do business. And in every other way, as they say, we would be looking at a new normal in digital India. But for that to happen, we need to understand how to leverage on the current technologies that are available to us, and we need to have a model for us to work in an orchestrated strategy of taking this forward at the enterprise level, at the state level, and at the central government level. So we need to get all our acts together so that we can all benefit of the emerging technologies that we can leverage on now. The other part of the conference explores to see how we can build a roadmap that would be guided by a digital transformation maturity model. The model will help us in our preparedness of technology, culture, infrastructure, investments, and so many other things that we need to harness and to ensure that we get the full benefits out of this. So sit back and enjoy the conference, and we hope that by the end of this conference, we would have several takeaways. And some of the chief ones being for you to understand what digital transformation is all about, how do we get going in this journey, and how can we as a country come together and come out on top in the next couple of years. Thank you so much.